Did you know? The CMX10-DL's image collects function allows for guided inspection location and increased repeatability and traceability. In this video, we will cover how to use Dakmaster to set up image collects and use image collects on the CMX10-DL to speed up routine or repeated inspections. Image collects are a great tool for guided inspection, where repeated measurements need to be taken from specific areas. Within the Dakmaster software application, under the Library tab, create a new collect by opening the New menu and selecting Collect Design. Load the image you wish to use as your collect reference. The Add Area parameter allows you to split your image into collect areas. Within these individual areas, decide how many readings you wish to take per area and drag them onto the image. You can drag the reading area around the image after you have placed them to ensure your readings are in the correct spot. You can use the slider to increase or decrease the number of readings, as well as typing a numerical value. Once you are happy with your collect design, hit save and name your collect. You can now close the collect design. The side menu of your Dakmaster will now have the recently created collect within the Collects drop-down. Here you can view the collect. To transfer the collect onto the CMX10-DL, select the Gauge Transfer option and select your gauge. Please note your gauge must be connected via USB to do this. Select Collects and transfer the image collect onto your gauge. To open an image collect in the CMX10-DL, create a new data log, name your log, and when prompted to select sequential, grid, or image collect, select Image Collect. Open the image collect you just created and confirm. Here you can set any limits you may require. Hit Confirm. Now the collect will show on screen with a high quality image detailing where to take measurements, allowing for repeatable and traceable inspection. To find out more about the Dakota CMX10-DL full wave capture thickness gauge, click the link on screen, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos.